Welcome, dear student. I'm going to ask you some questions. Can you introduce yourself and tell us what you are studying at Sunlight College?
My name is Mohamed. I am a Sunlight College student. I come from Orbit College. I am learning English and the ICT.
How long have you been learning English at Sunlight College?
6 months.
You have been learning English 6 months. And you're on track yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's incredible. Okay, question number 2. What made you to choose Sunlight College of other colleges?
Provide education. Great teachers. School environment.
Question number 3. What do you enjoy mostly about being a student here?
Like activities.
Good. Let's go question number 4. Have you met a good friend here?
Yeah, like that.
Do you think Sunlight College is going to help you prepare for your future?
Sunlight College gives me freedom to speak.
Last but not least, what would you like to say to someone who's thinking about to learn English?
To come to Sunlight College.
Oh, that's good. That's nice. You're still on track, still learning, and you can speak English well. MashaAllah, that's good. I hope it's going to inspire them. I really appreciate it.